So hi guys, sa reference letter of employment, hindi na po kailangan ng logo, hindi na po kailangan ng yung formal letter lang ba coming from your employer. Dapat po nandun ang informations na specific period of your employment, from and date and year, yun. Your position, your duties and responsibilities. Yun yung description of your main responsibilities and duties. Yun. And then, magkano ang annual salary mo or ang monthly salary mo and your benefits, ganun. Number of hours you work, ganyan. And then, employer's name and signature. Full address, telephone numbers, and email address. Yung email address nila. So, yung importante, information mo, pangalan mo, yung lahat ba, information ng employer mo, dapat nakasulat doon sa formal letter. So, yun na, hindi na kailangan ng logo or mga unsa-unsa. Importante doon ang mga informations na kakailanganin na mabasa ng officer. So, yun po.